Hey, this is Craig with Tour Factory giving you another real estate sneak peek. Today we're out here in Roy on about 3200 West. I think it's 4971. This home is just coming on the market, and you can contact Discover Realty. Travis Noakes is the listing agent, I believe. Anyway, I want to give you a real look around, and literally just swipe with your finger on the screen there or with your mouse and take a 360 view of the neighborhood here, and we'll do the same inside. So why don't you follow me? Okay, here we are in the entry living room here. Take a look around here. They've got tile here on the window seat, same as the flooring here. Let's go on into the kitchen great room. Yeah, this is a nice open floor plan. I don't know, I think this is granite. That looks really nice. Off to my right here, it goes downstairs. The basement is partially finished. I think there's 2 bedrooms downstairs, a nice bath, a total of 5 bedrooms, I think, and a big backyard. Okay, this is one of the lower level bedrooms here. Looks like it may be kind of the master. Well, the bath is across the hallway here. If you spin around, you can see that over there. 2 closets here. We'll take you in and see this nice bath. Really like the tub there. Jetted tub, nice countertop. Another bedroom over here to my left. Unfinished area to my right here. But really nice basement. Okay, this is a big backyard. Yeah, if you want to take a look around, out here to the west we have a big size shed and kind of a half-covered area there. Over here on the north side of the home is some RV parking, and as you can see down in this direction they've got an above-ground pool. Really nice. They have some small pebble gravel there. And lots of shade here to give you shade here in the evening sun, afternoon, and to help keep the house cool. It's very peaceful out here, lots of birds, spring's coming. So anyway, just wanted to give you this real estate sneak peek. Go ahead and contact Travis over there at Discover Realty, and he can schedule a personal showing for you. Till then, we'll see you next time. Thanks.